Right.
But my thing is,
right.
I got 10 kids.
Right.
5 boys, 5 girls. And man, I felt what his father was saying, you know? Like you sitting in the courtroom and half of the evidence ain't making sense. And then shit that they should have been talking about, they wasn't talking about.
What about you think about it on the other end? About one of your 5 daughters. You sitting in the case, you trying to get your justice. And people just keep saying bullshit. They keep adding bullshit to the soup. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
They keep watering down the soup. I'm trying to I got shot in the foot.
Yeah.
You watering down my soup. What you talking about? I slept with this nigga. What the fuck are you talking about, nigga? You know what I'm saying?
Well, you got to make sure, and I know, like with me, I make sure, like I always tell my daughters, you sit up there, fight, don't stand there afterwards. Knock that bitch out and keep it moving. Don't stand there.
In this situation, like I said,
in this situation,
gun residue on Tori and the girl, bullet in Meg. She was alienated, isolated. They in Tori's car. You know what I'm saying?
And all of them on different labels at that.
Right. But some conspiracy theories is coming out in holes talking about the girl and is sliding her way up under Tori's protection. And that's why she was saying all that and not nothing in the court. And it's basically incriminating herself.
Yeah, I plead the 5th.
Yeah. She was doing more than self-incriminating. And even instead of explaining herself in some places, they'd be like, okay, you want to explain? All right, well, let's bring up the tape then.
Right.
The tape says.
Right.
Do you want to elaborate? I plead the 5th. Okay, well, let's go back to the tape.
It's a lot of bullshit, though.
A lot of bullshit.
I just know how shit been echoing down.
Yeah. Of course, you know what I'm saying? And that's the issue that I had with that Me Too shit.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? I know that's kind of where the conversation in the beginning was going. With that Me Too shit started off in the beginning.
Yeah.
I get it. In the end, I get it. But in the middle, it's all fuzzy, right?
So why didn't they go after Trump? They got real quiet when Trump.
Because he got powerful people.
Well, I mean the same thing with the case.
Everybody, I mean, we can cry foul all day, but
yeah.
You know the people who hold the handcuffs and the people who put people in jail.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, well, I'm not gonna take them. So
I mean the same thing with y'all found all these papers and shit at his Mar-a-Lago at his home.
Put it like this. Put it like this.
And this nigga still don't go to jail?
Put it like this. Remember that Jeffrey Epstein case?
Yeah.
Maxine Griswold and Jeffrey Epstein?
Yep.
Maxine is in jail right now.
Right.
Epstein didn't even make it in jail. He just somehow died before any information came out.
Exactly.
You wanna know why?
Powerful people.
Because too many rich people would have got their name put out there.
And Trump was one of them.
And not only, look, I don't even think nothing would have happened to them people. But they would have had made it very obvious that they was corrupt.
Mm-hmm.
Like, if we don't shut him up now, we have to just have the cops tell people no.
Exactly.
Which won't blow down as well. We're, you know, it's an island that nigga Epstein had where all this fucking shit was going down.
Exactly.
You got so many people that you wouldn't even. Jamie Foxx, motherfucking, like black people too. Like, what the fuck is you going to Child Rape Island, bro? What the fuck is you going there for? Eddie Murphy.
Right.
What the fuck are you there for? You know what I'm saying? This is me sitting here trying to remember the people who I was shocked of when I see them on the list. Like, what the fuck are you there for? You know what I'm saying? Rubbing shoulders and bumping shoulders with the famous people don't mean you gotta do it in all the places.
Right.
I'll meet y'all in LA.
Well, that's why, like Noriega was saying, said that's why I'm not as famous as I am.
Right.
Because I didn't say yes to that. You got three doors you can go in.
Right.
you know, that his mom was sacrificed.
I don't know about Kanye. Put it like this. I'm not sure if he's crazy or not. I feel like that man needs to take his ass to therapy. You need to stop talking. You need to get out of public attention. You need to go take yourself to therapy and deal with his mother passing before he can even deal with getting divorced from Kim Kardashian. That nigga needs to fix himself. Like, he been running with faulty, you know what I'm saying? His engine been faulty. He been running with miles.
Right.
And now when something else to hit him, the man is going bonkers. Do he have, you know what I'm saying? Everybody crazy got like a little sliver of truth in what they say. You know what I'm saying? But I think my man needs to go heal himself before he come back out here. Because people just gonna call him crazy and they gonna treat him like he's crazy, which ain't gonna help him. Even if he's telling the truth, it'll become cry wolf at that point. Oh, that's just Kanye yelling again.
Mm-hmm.
That's just Kanye going on stage and making what's her name famous again. You know what I'm saying? He's gonna say somebody else's name and bring him up to another level of stardom. He was bullied by Kanye's stardom.
But look at the moves he made. Calculated moves in order to get out of these companies' contracts.
I don't know.
Okay, so for instance, you say that he's crazy.
I ain't
Twitch?
crazy.
No.
He hurt.
Okay. What about Twitch? Twitch, the dancer, the one who just died or committed suicide. He was, you know, Ellen? Yeah. Okay, her DJ. The black guy. So 2 days before he died, he was on Instagram dancing with his kids and with his wife. And, you know, looking happy and celebrating life itself because of his newborn, things of that such. Then 2 days later, you go to the hotel and you shit yourself.
Yeah, I can believe that. A lot of people. Now, these is all nuanced and different angles. That would be more along the route that Kanye will go down. All of a sudden, one day Kanye smiling again, and then making his old music again, and then all of a sudden he'll be there because he's not really happy. He try to put on this little mask, pretend happy, but that shit don't work. So like, all right, check out, or put it like this, and this whole nother deal. Because a lot of people that's depressed, they ain't got no hope. When they decide they gonna kill themselves, they ain't got nothing else to worry about. That's like all the stress just rolled up off of them, you know, because they made the decision. They might be happier than you to never seen them. You might think that they done went back and they normal and they fixed now. Right. But this is just, well, shit, I ain't got nothing else to lose, my man. I'm out of here in 48 hours. I done already decided. So, what's up, cuzzo? You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Hey, I'm out of here. It's gonna be the last time I see you, man. What's up with the? Yeah, all right, bro. You know, so that's what that is. That you hear about that a lot when people take their lives. So I don't think that's a part of that conspiracy. I think that's just like mental health and people in common. Like I say, that'll be the role. That's a common pattern when people take their life. In famous circles and in broke circles. So that's why I'm not saying that that's a ritual or a sacrifice or something like that. That's just how people operate. You know what I'm saying? Now, Ellen herself is a weird motherfucker. But I don't even think Ellen is plugged in on that level. I think I'm not saying that I don't believe a lot of them shits, because I've seen pictures of them and I've seen people in these backgrounds of these pictures.
Right.
With